Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir, ma'am.
What is your name?
I'm Heidi Torsilero.
What is your age?
I'm 32 years old.
Which year were you born?
November 14, 1983 from Maricabang, Pasay City.
Do you have valid work permit in Hong Kong identify card?
No, ma'am.
Do you have valid passport?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to apply my best as a domestic helper, and one of the reasons, high salary.
What is your hometown?
Block 4, Lot 3, St. Rita Street, Maricabang, Pasay City.
What is your level of education?
I'm college level.
Are you married or single?
I'm a single mother.
Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are they?
12, 8, 6, and 3.
Who takes care of them?
My parents, ma'am.
How many people are in your family?
10, ma'am.
Brother, sister?
I'm 7 brothers and 2 sisters.
Are your parents alive?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have financial commitments to support any or all of them?
Yes, ma'am, especially my kids.
If they fall sick, who can take care of them?
My parents, ma'am.
Do you have any debts either in your home country?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Do you owe unemployment agency any money?
No, ma'am.
How many years of experience do you have?
2 years, ma'am.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
Householding, ma'am, and take care of the children and babies.
What do you enjoy your least?
Children's or babies, ma'am.
Do you have allergy for foods, of drugs, and detergent?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets?
Yes, ma'am, but I willing to do.
How did you handle conflict with your previous employment?
I try my best on the right way, ma'am.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
Yes, ma'am.
Was your role primarily child care or housework?
Same, ma'am.
How many hours each day did you work?
When I finish my work, ma'am.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No, ma'am.
If not, would you be willing to attend such a course?
Yes, ma'am.
If my child burned their hand on the iron, what would you do?
First aid, ma'am. And I call my employer.
If my son was being naughty when you were babysitting him,
I tell my employer and I teach in the right way.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Which cuisine are you familiar?
Yes, ma'am.
Which cuisine are you familiar with?
Filipino food and Chinese food, ma'am.
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian and Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Communicate with my family.
Do you have any special skills like dancing, painting?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have message to your employer?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Heidi Torsilero, 32 years old. I'm a single mother. My educational attainment, hotel and restaurant management. I have a children, ma'am, 5 children, but my first experience is from Singapore as a domestic helper, but I'm not finished my contract because I have the experience how to maltreat of the mother of my employer. But now, ma'am, sir, I'm willing to do my best as a domestic helper because I need to strong for to support of my kids. I hope, sir, madam, you just give me a chance. I'll see you time on the Hong Kong. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little 8, little 9, little fingers, 10 little fingers dancing.